Well, I tell you what, Kofi, while you're getting your lemon juice, I'll get the catfish out.
Okay.
Woo! Now, this is the size catfish I like to catch, Kofi.
All right. Yeah, I like them big. My dad did a lot of fishing.
Look at these, y'all.
The way this works best is that the bones will hold it together. I don't do those fillets. Now, if
I don't like fillets either. I like the bone in my fish.
Right.
Kofi, can you grab that lid, please, and put it on the carrots?
There
Thank you.
There we go.
I love fishing for catfish. I'm from Southwest Georgia, and we got a lot of wonderful ponds there. And I would fish for catfish and brim. I don't know which I like the best, catching them or eating them.
I hear you. I hear you. You've got a tray back there on the.
Okie doke.
Yeah, why don't you get that out?
Right here.
Yep, that's the one. And we can put the catfish right on in there.
Okie doke. Did you used to cook this dish with your daddy? Where did this recipe come from?
It's an improvisation that I brought to it. I started grilling and smoking this stuff, but Daddy did more frying than anything. You did a lot of
Daddy.
fishing. Do you mind if I just
No,
sort of do
honey,
some
this
of this
is
kind
your
of stuff? Because this
recipe.
is sort of kind of the way you want to get the
Okay.
lemon in there. You know, lemon and fish, the lemon helps to break the protein down,
Yeah.
makes it tender, that kind of stuff.
And that looks like a half a cup of lemon juice. Okay.
Then we put a little oil on it. We got to have a little olive oil.
Okay.
Well, I'm giving this back to you so that you can now get the sprinkle on.
Do you want me to put this on fairly heavy?
Yeah.
And this is Kofi's homemade seafood rub, y'all. Okie doke.
Okay, and then once we get it on, we want
We'll
to
turn those over
Turn 'em.
so it can
right.
start soaking up that wonderful lemon and get all these herbs.
Right.
All right, so there we go. So
Really
just pour that soy sauce over them.
Right.
I'm sure you want this covered, don't you?
Yeah, absolutely. As it goes in the refrigerator.
Now, how long do we marinate this?
Optimally for 24 hours.
If you don't have that kind of time, 20 minutes.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, well, I'll put this in our fridge.
Okay.
Moyo means from the heart, y'all.
Right.
Kofi is here sharing some of his recipes with us, and we're getting ready to grill his candlelight catfish. I'm gonna pass that over there to you so you can put that on.
Right.
Oh, and look at that fish, y'all.
Where's the foil, Paula?
Where's the foil? Right there, baby.
Oh, there we
These
go.
are big cloves. So how about if I turn these catfish?
Certainly can.
While you're getting
We're right at the end of it.
the tomato in there, we didn't spray the pan because of the oil that we had in the fish, y'all.
Ooh, look at that.
Looking pretty good. Okie doke.
Okay, let's get the tint back on it.
Everything I've put my fingers on is hot as blue blazes. Oh, I can't wait to taste that
Bon
catfish.
appetit. I can't wait to taste the souffle.
Is it good?
Delicious.
Right there.
Wow, that souffle is wonderful.
Oh, that catfish.